Education Minister Rymbui on Tuesday said, "The deployment of teachers in census and election-related duties is not limited to Meghalaya alone, but is a practice followed across the country since the British era." Speaking to media persons on May 12th, Rymbui said teachers have traditionally been entrusted with such responsibilities as both census operations and elections are considered important administrative exercises. His statement came amid discussions over the engagement of teachers in non-academic duties, particularly census and election work. The minister maintained that the practice has been prevalent across India for decades and continues to be followed as part of the administrative system. When asked about the stand of the United Democratic Party regarding the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election from the Shillong parliamentary constituency, Rymbui said the party has not yet held any discussion on the matter.
Ikannya kamde kabajia tanghapo makhalia kadai kabajia baru ya. Hisip hiba kadai ka census bak election kidai kiwei na ki jing ki badan kamtam. Te ka sarkar kamla ban subha da kino ka ban pha da kinong pre sarkar lagi bat kinong hikai kidon la borong tisno. Te ka hajio I jong ka sarkar India bat kani pe jong ka nado bis por jong ka phareng no ki bale nong kong sis 1901 hadi manta kalong ba kadai kabaya kumtu te kila kran te ka batin de isata hade ingi larai ngilale ka berengkam bat lor kata pat ki don ka jing bom smuhun te nakalor kata te ni pat ni kum ka sarkar ka bas ngap kenya la ki badai banle kanong rok idea ko bahatam te kata handai not at the cost of the welfare of the other sector of the state. Ka education department ka khang katli baki ke bani bille min le